Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to take a look at making your apps transparent, but with a tint on it. So let's get started. So go anywhere, any screen really, and then just hold your finger on top of any empty space. So the safest area would be beside your search on the bottom. It says search in the middle. Then anywhere in the empty space, just hold your finger there, and then everything's going to start to wiggle around. On the top left-hand side, you're going to see edit. And edit, your second option, customize. Then from here, your very last option will say tinted. Tap there. And now you guys can see that your apps will turn to whatever tint you want. It can be red. It can be very light or very harsh red. So you guys can mess around with the tint there. It is semi-transparent. You guys can also do automatic. So just go to whatever, light mode as well. So again, this is dark, light, so you guys can see the difference, the dark, light. So it does depend what you guys are going for. So you guys could go something like this, something like that, automatic. I'm just gonna leave it as light for now, actually dark, so you guys can actually see what's going on. I can make it blue, any of these colors. I can make it really intense as well. So you guys can make it as intense as you want or not. If you guys are looking just for clear, that's your third option. Clear is just this. We also have dark, and we have default, which is what you guys have right now. And then just tap away anywhere, and they're just gonna stay as is. So I'm just gonna do that one more time with tinted, and we're gonna leave it as a blue, let's say. I can just tap anywhere out of this box, and it's gonna stay like so. So here we go. And that's it. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.